to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you have subscribed, please consider doing so. Go ahead and subscribe and click the bell 2 times so you get all of the notifications for when I upload, because I do surprise uploads. If you've already subscribed, you're my doll, baby. Hi, doll, baby. So happy that you are here. Today is a really exciting video because it's another collab. Because you know I'm doing collabs. But this, I was already collabing with the Wig Company. The Wig Company. The Wig Company. The Wig Company. Okay, and they're releasing new wigs in their signature statement line, and I have a little show and tell for you, a little let's try it on and review, a little guess what's new and you can check it out with me and you too video for you today. I want to thank the Wig Company so much. They're so very generous. They are a great company. I'll put all the deets for the wig and the Wig Company and all that down below. But because they are so awesome and generous, this video is also a giveaway video. You will be getting one of these wigs. I'll put all the deets down below for that too. Also hop on my Instagram and their Instagram, which I will put along the bottom here. But yes, so one of you will win a wig from the Wig Company, and that's very exciting. So you're going to want to check out the deets for that. But let's check out the deets for this new wig. So this is a new wig. It will be available today when this video is uploading, February 1st. And I have Miss Undaunted, and I have her in the color RH10. And it came with this little wig cap. I have tried this wig on already. If you watched the live interview that I did with the Wig Company, you would have saw at least a preview of this wig. If you haven't seen that, go ahead to the Wig Company's Instagram and you can see it there. I did a lot of just like answering questions and just impromptu wig stuff. So it was really fun. So you want to check that out. But this is Miss Undaunted. And this is that beautiful color, that R10. It's really like a number 10, but it's got some highlights and things in it. So it's a short style, and let's go ahead and put her on. So let's look at the cap construction. This is an average cap. It is a full cap. There are no combs in the front, no lace to cut. There are no combs in the back, but there are some adjustable straps that are Velcro, so you can use those. So let's get her on. Oh my gosh, this is so dang cute. I cannot. All right, let me do the muss and fuss that I do, and then I'll come back with my thoughts. Took me like, the timer on my camera before editing is 2 minutes and 21 seconds to get together. It was just really placing it where I want. As you can see, you can sort of rough it up a little bit, you can sleek it down. I always like my short wigs sort of sleek down on one side and then, you know, gruffed on the other. I love how this is curving the face right here, and you can just see the pops of the highlights that it has all through here. It's giving it sort of like a chocolatey caramel espresso sort of latte with a little bit of cream. I like coffee. I think you can go super edgy with this. Oh, it's Kit Kat. Hi, Kit Kat. It's reminding me of Kit Kat. Oh, she's on stink bug patrol as per usual. But I really love how this is really coming to sort of a curve. I'm not a huge fan of bangs, but this one is so awesome because look, they're not moving and it's like a yucky texture. So there's a little bit of texture. It's almost like you're using sort of like a sea salt spray, but really it comes out of the face and it just stays where you want it once you get it there. So watch, I'll just do, and then, you know, so this is something I could definitely work with because I could keep it out of the face. Let's talk about it from the back. In really short wigs, the back for me is what gives it away. So right now, I feel like the back is really cute where it's stacked right here and then it's got this like hugging. This is what I feel like a short wig needs to have. It's gotta hug the head, okay? It just has to in order to look like your real hair. And this one is just laying and hugging the head so beautifully. Yeah. So let's see, you could just really, like, we could really gruff this up and really get some stack, really get some volume. Let's play with it just a little bit so you can see what it can do. So, I mean, we could really pull this sort of back out of the face and leave that layered bang. See, I love how, because it's long, but they've laid it right in front of the face. But we could really pull that up out and, you know, do a little tuck back. I always, because my natural hair is actually growing back right now, which is crazy. So I'm going to leave out, pull out just the edge of the ear tab hair. And then that'll cover any like side situation that's happening. Yeah, so we could do something just like casual like this, but with some volume. Okay, so you could definitely do that. Let's just try and do it like this. Okay, where are we going? Let's see where this is going. The way I was wearing it, where it's a little bit gruffed towards this, like that. Ugh, so cute. I really like this one. I'd like to see this in sort of like a blonde mix, or even like more of like a strawberry blonde, like honey type of situation. Yes, what do you think? I am so curious to see what your thoughts are about this wig. Is this a style that you think that you could rock? Again, I'll put all of the deets down below of where you can purchase this wig and also about the giveaway. Thank you so much to the Wig Company for, you know, partnering with me, not only for this video, allowing me to debut this wig, but also in doing a giveaway for you guys. So please go over to their Instagram and show them some love. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!